Kamusta yung medyo matagal ka nawala? Kamusta yung pagbabalik?
Gano'n
Okay
excited?
naman, I'm very, very excited. You know, I'm back with ABS-CBN. And I've always done teleseries with ABS-CBN. So it's been 6 years or yeah, last time was Betty La Fea. So I'm very excited. And this is a really good production. So I'm very, 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 very honored to be working with these powerhouse cast.
Namiss mo ang showbiz?
Yes, I miss ko magtrabaho, I miss ko mag-TV, you know, I miss doing the things that I've always been doing anyway. So.
Namiss mo rin yung mga ganito sasagot sa mga intriga?
Ay, hindi ko alam mo na. Intriga pa, wala namang intriga, di ba? Walang intriga. Ano? Buti pa kayo alam mo?
May alam siya.
Ano alam mo?
Tatanungin ni Mikey. Pero ang reaction mo,
Oh yeah, si Jerica.
Estrada.
Anong problema doon? I'm very, very happy.
Comment mo?
I know them, you know, I'm good friends with them, so I'm really, really happy. I've been able to extend my congratulations to both of them, so I'm very happy.
How was your communication ni Bernard?
We're good kasi naman of Eli, you know, so pag Christmas, pag gusto nilang hiramin, it's always, you know, I never had a problem with that. Even when Bernard and I were not talking, I've always brought Eli to Nana Tita, to the family.
Pero sa support sa baby niyo, di ba okay din naman si Bernard Financial, sa school?
Now that, you know, he's starting to work again, so at least kahit pa paano.
Okay.
Nakita na kayo kasi cheer din daw. No, not yet. Ano bang show niya? Hindi ko wala kaming problema. Wala ring intriga. Oh,
Okay.
so,
good friends?
yes. Now masasabi ko na we're good friends.
Medyo kwento kung masaya siya to be...
Yes, I congratulated nga. Sabi ko nga, oh my God, this is it. Sabi niya, oo nga eh. So, yeah, we saw each other Christmas kasi he borrowed Eli. It's normal. Every Christmas we always do that.
Daddy, kamusta? Still communicate?
Hindi ko alam ngayon. I haven't seen him for a long time kasi he's been traveling, di ba? So,
Mas nakabuti ba ngayon na hindi siya ganun ka-busy sa yung may show siya everyday, ganun? Mas nakabuti sa kanya, sa tingin mo?
I think bored na siya. I think,
Nahanap niya pa rin.
because my father naman really loves working. Eh. So, you know, I really hope that he gets a new show and because that's really what he loves to do. To entertain.
Anong reaction mo doon sa sinasabing binibenta niya na ibang mga properties niya kasi nga wala siyang work and something? Parang...
I doubt it. I doubt na binibenta niya dahil wala siyang work. So I don't know, maybe it's business, you know, we cannot naman make speculations on that because we don't know what's happening. It's not out in the open, so I don't really know as well. Wala rin akong personal knowledge about it. So I don't know.
Merong mga news kasi na possibly daw baka bumalik siya sa pamilya. Ang thoughts mo?
I mean, my father naman has always been wise with his decisions. So kung ano man yung maging desisyon niya, I'm gonna be so happy to know that he's back with ABS-CBN because, you know, they're a really perfect compatible match. So, yeah.
Meron, would you know how far along si Jerica?
She's 5 months.
Wow, malapit na.
Malapit na. We're all very excited.
Or...
I think it's another boy.
Wow.
I don't know if I'm allowed to say that. I don't know. I'm sorry. But I really don't know. Yeah, but you know, I'm very happy for them.
Proof lang yan na talaga nagka-communicate kayo kasi you know everything about it.
Yeah, because I'm really close with this family. So I really
May release nga lang, balik nga lang muli sa daddy mo. How do you feel every time na may negative na nasa kapag-usapan about him? Ngayon naman yung madalas daw sa casino, gano'n.
I mean,
Affected ka pa o na-affected pa rin daddy mo?
I mean, kasi, di ba, whatever he does with his life is his prerogative. Di ba? Kumbaga, he has worked hard for his everything, for his wealth right now. So whatever he wants to do with that, di ba, we don't have any right to judge or to, you know, to say something bad about it because it's his money. It's his hard work. Di ba, pinaghirapan niya yun. So anong gusto niyang gawin with his money is his prerogative. I really believe that, di ba, I mean, wala tayong, bakit natin pang maghihimasukan yung desisyon niya sa buhay niya when,
Meron niya yun.
pera niya.